Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video I'll be showing you how to take specific screenshot on Windows. So without wasting any time, just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So basically, if you want to take a full screen screenshot, what you need to do is simply press Windows and then press on print screen. As you can see, it has already taken on screenshot. Now for specific screenshots, what you need to do is use this snipping tool. Now in order to use this snipping tool, what you need to do is press Windows, Shift and then S. Now that will open up snipping screen. Now let me assume that I want just this part of the car, right? Now all you gotta do is simply drag and select the part that you want to take the screenshot, and once that's done, all you gotta do is leave it, and here you'll get the notification that says snip saved to clipboard. Simply open it up, and here you can edit the selected area as well. And now in order to save it, all you gotta do is click on this button right here or press Ctrl+S to save it. And once you do that, here the pop-up box will appear. You can rename your file name as well and then click on save. And once you do that, that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.